What's up guys? So Motogolf here. Now we're going to Marcos Highway sa isang motor shop kasi my friend left me some tires there. Tire lang pala, harap lang. Front tire lang yung pinaiwan niya doon para sa akin. So yun, it's a front tire na Super Corsa SC1. So papakabit natin ngayon sa ZX6R. Makapal pa naman yun, yung tire na yun. Kasi si Tropa, ubos na yung niya, yung rear na SC1 niya. So nagpapalit siya ng set. S23 naman yung niya, Bridgestone, yung set niya ngayon. So yung front niya makapal pa. So binenta niya sa akin for a very cheap price. So ito tayo ngayon, punta tayo sa East Side Motor Parts. Tapos dala-dala ko pala ngayon yung parts ko. I bought from RMD, Big Bike Essentials. Shout out sa'yo, Raymond. Always my reliable supplier talaga for parts, si Boss Raymond, at the best price, best parts, best everything. Tapos solid din ka-deal yan, mabait yan si Raymond guys, solid. Kasi you could be a good businessman, but it's different to be a mabait na businessman. It's entirely different thing. I highly recommend RMD, Big Bike Essentials guys. So yeah, yung binili ko sa kanya, I bought Mototron lang na parts for the ZX6R. So I bought clip-ons na adjustable and rear sets. So yun, it's a Chinese brand for those who don't know, pero it's decent quality naman. Maganda naman yung quality actually. I know some racers who use Mototron naman. So yeah, if they use it, racers use it, then it's good enough for me. Tsaka daw sila parang technical sponsor, ganun, sa Grassini team ng MotoGP. If you guys don't know, it used to be Marc Marquez's team, and I think it's currently Alex Marquez's team sa MotoGP, yung Grassini Racing. So si Mototron ay isa sa mga technical sponsors dun. So yeah, Mototron, it's a good brand. Yung sa clip-ons naman, kailangan ko kasi yung adjustable Itong stock kasi ni clip-ons hindi adjustable. May bolt dito sa ilalim na nakakonect sa triple clamp. So if I remove that locking bolt, baka hindi na ganun ka-secured. Although yes, I can adjust it if without the locking bolt, pero nakakatakot hindi siya ganun ka-secured. Pero yung Mototron naman, it doesn't have a locking bolt. So yeah, you can adjust it sa angle na gusto mo. It's not gonna fall off siguro, no? Siguro hindi yan. Trust the design. Kahit medyo iba siya from stock, pero it's designed to be iba from stock. So trust lang na kahit walang locking bolt doon sa aftermarket clip-ons, it's still gonna stick. Hindi yan lilipad. Tiwala lang. It's too narrow sa akin, tapos medyo masyado siyang pointed downward. Like I want it to be medyo flat na angle, tapos wider. Kasi wider clip-ons na parang naked bike, it makes it easier to counter steer. And ako naman, preference ko naman na since galing sa 25R, yung stock clip-ons talaga nun is wide. It's really wide. Ang sarap i-counter steer. So doon ako nasanay sa setup na yon, na easy to counter steer. Onting input lang kailangan. You don't have to push the handlebars to make it steer. Gusto ko yung ganun. Parang sa parang sa computer, kumbaga sa PC gaming, yung DPI settings ng mouse mo is depende sa preference mo Yung iba gusto low DPI na mabagal yung response. Yung iba gusto high DPI. Medyo gusto ko yung medyo high na DPI para yung response onting input lang. Ganun na yung response, mataas na yung response. Ganun lang dito. Yun ang gusto ko sa clip-ons, na kumbaga sa mouse high DPI, low input lang, pero yung response mataas. Kasi nung first track day ko, there are times na na kinabahan ako kasi medyo nagwo-wide na ako, and yeah, rider error. Pero yung feel ko kasi at that time nung nagwo-wide na ako, going wide na, is teka lang, bakit hindi siya nagka-counter steer? Like kailangan pa ng more tulak. Ayoko nang gano'n na too much tulak Like preference ko lang na onting ano lang, input lang, magre-response na agad yung clip-ons or yung bike. So isa yun sa nakakatulong sa ano, counter steer, yung leverage na sinasabi sa angle ng ano, clip-ons. Parang naked bike, kung mapapansin nyo sa naked bike, sobrang sarap i-counter steer, sobrang dali i-counter steer dahil sa handlebars niya na super wide. So yun, mas nauna pa dumating yung, or mas nauna ko pang i-upgrade yung clip-on sa rear set kaysa sa pipe, no? Kaysa sa muffler. Wala lang, preference ko lang. Mas gusto ko kasi yung ano yung fitment, bike fitment sa rider. Yung ergonomics, mas gusto ko yung priority yun kaysa sa power performance. Kasi at my current stage, hindi ko pa na-max out yung power Hindi ko pa na-max out yung potential ng bike. So, might as well get comfortable sa bike. Ergonomics help me feel that na I'm in full control. Kapag nakaset yung ergonomics, yung setup para sa akin, bukod sa suspension of course, it's a big factor sa confidence. Kasi it makes you feel like you're in full control. And next naman na priority upgrade dun, for me priority is suspension. Iba full system exhaust, it's up to them. Ako lang, ang akin is ano kasi, ergonomics and suspension. Kasi I prefer or I prioritize handling and comfort. Comfort sa sport bike. Yes, it is possible to be comfortable on a sport bike. It is yung sinasabing sport bike sakit sa likod. No, it is possible to get comfy. For example, you could buy yung clip-ons na may risers. Yes, may mga risers dyan na up to half an inch or maybe an inch higher than stock. So hindi ka super sub-sub, pwede rin yun. And of course, bukod pa yun sa sa technique mo, syempre, you have to have din, proper technique when riding a sport bike para hindi masakit yung likod mo, hindi masakit yung wrist mo. Tamang lang yan, technique. And yeah, very important yun sa akin. Top 2 most important upgrades sa bike, sport bike to be more specific. Ergonomics na mods and suspension. Yep, yes sir. Kasi power can come later kasi as a rider, at least for me, iba kasi halimaw na pero ako kasi I'm still learning the bike, ganun. Still got a lot to learn. So in order for me to learn more, well, I need to be more comfortable sa bike. And hindi pa masyadong mababenefit sa akin as a rider yung mga power mods and stuff like that. Sure, it feels more fun, it makes the bike feel and objectively go faster, pero does it really help me as a rider? So does it actually help me, get better, get faster, like fundamentally, skills wise? Not really. It only makes the bike go faster, pero doesn't make me go faster, you know what I'm saying? And maybe thirdly, yung priority na upgrades is braking system. Yeah, probably gonna get next, steel braided lines sa harap. Likod siguro hindi muna, pero yung harap talaga, steel braided lines for the front. Yun yung next priority ko dito. Kasi if you wanna ride fast, then you have to, stop fast. You have to learn how to stop fast, and you need parts that can really stop the bike at high speeds. So next ko naman yan, next priority ko yan. Kumbaga top 3 na pala ngayon, from top 2 to naging top 3 na priority upgrades from Motogov by yours truly. Uy, puro usok yung bite usok, hindi ba coolant yun? Or oil, I don't know. Bro needs to get that checked soon, man. Oh, horse. Check natin. Si Ma'am Ruth daw so akit ko pa yun dito. Yung motor, dami dito. And then yung gulong natin. Okay, thank you, Eastside Motor Parts. Thank you, Sir Justin and Sir Singh, for the job well done. Charot. Okay, so guys, ito na yung rear sets natin, Mototron, and also the Mototron clip-ons. I bought those from RMD, Big Bike Essentials. Thank you, bro. Boss Raymond, you the best, you the best. And yeah, as you can see, malayo yung difference niya from stock, yung angle. So this is as wide as it can go, because if I go any wider, tatama na siya sa fairings itong mga parts na to. So which is, pero it's big difference, which is really good for me. I like it. I like it that way. So yeah, let's feel, pakiramdam natin how it feels compared sa stock. Uwi na tayo. Although andyan lang yung Marilac pero tignan mo ang kulimlim, baka ulan na. And I also have other plans for today. Magpo 4 PM na rin. So yeah, let's go. And also thank you pala Boss Matt for the front tire, SC1 na front tire. Bought it from him for a good price. Yun ang super wide ng clip-ons. Okay. Parang naka naked bike. Thank you po. Wow. Panibago na, in a way that feels good. Na panibago. It's so wide. It's wider than my 25R na clip-ons yung ngayon. But it's okay. It's good. It's wide in a good way. And much better na yung steering radius niya, Ang ganda ng steering radius. Okay. And yeah, the rear sets also feel good. Yung shifter ng rear set Mototron. Parang naka naked bike. Sarap. And mas ramdam ko yung feedback sa daan. Like I could feel, probably because of the Super Corsa. Iba yung feel ng front end ko. I could feel more vibrations, more of the texture ng asphalt. I can feel it more. Ayun, dali lang yung counter steer. I love this. Though not gonna lie, mas ramdam na yung vibration niya compared sa stock, yung clip-ons. Pero yeah, it's good for more feedback, for more feel. Pero baka sa iba hindi nila gusto yung more vibration, lalo na if katagalan magnanam yung fingers, hands. Pero ako okay naman sa akin to. Parang ako naka naked bike talaga na sub-sub, naked na sub-sub, parang ganun. Yun yung feel ko ngayon with the clip-on. Sobrang it's better, it's sarap for me. I like this. Mas prefer ko yung ganitong easier to counter steer, more leverage. Parang ako na Ninja 650. Parang gano'n yung clip-ons. Nakatutuwa ako. Tsaka yung rear sets na ergos. Good, all good yung setting. dahil sa angle ng clip-ons na mas wider, mas mapipilitan ako mag-yuko, and because of that, mas na-flex or mas nag-grip na yung thighs ko. Like it's forced to press to the tanks. Dahil yun nga yung nangyari sa katawan, mas sub-sub compared sa stock na angle na much nearer sa akin. Pero as a result, may tendency na hindi na ako nag-grip with the thighs. Let's see naman sa traffic, medyo naalangan siguro ako tawag dito, lane split dahil wider yung clip-ons ko. Iba na yung feel ko iba na yung feel ko sa wideness ng motor. Para mas lumapad yung motor in a way, in terms of feeling. Kahit di naman talaga objectively lumapad, clip-ons lang ang pinagbago, the clip-on angle na sobrang wide. Pero yun yung feeling so adjustments, pero okay lang yan. More on sa racetrack naman na ako. In terms of maniobra sa traffic, mas napadali yung buhay ko sa ganitong angle na setup. Tinan mo yung steering radius, ano? Uy, tumatama sa fairings. Ayun lang, yung right side, pero yun lang yan. Lipstick na dugo sa labi kong punong-puno ng panlasak ko sa'yo. Nag-false neutral. Maniobra tayo dito. Hey! Tayo'y magmomotor sa makasada ng sigon at magsigawan tayo na parang nasa horror. Tayo'y magkatay ng tao sabay, isa masamang tao, pumapatay lang ako ng kalungkutan ko, pati ng sa'yo. So yun, we're here, and thanks guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you liked it, please support me. Thank you. Bye.